Yo, what's up everybody? It's Perfect Health. Let's be real, we've all been there. You reach for your glasses expecting that crystal clear vision and BAM! Those pesky little scratches hit you with a wave of blurriness. It's like trying to watch your favorite show through a window screen. The struggle is real, and honestly, who has time for that? Whether you're rocking prescription glasses or just a stylish pair of shades, scratches are a pain. But before you even think about dropping serious cash on a new pair, hold up! In this video, we're diving deep into the world of scratch fixes. We're talking 10 easy hacks to bring your glasses back from the brink. So if you're ready to ditch the blur and see the world in all its high-definition glory, stick around. Okay, let's talk about it. The frustration of scratched lenses. It's not just about the way they look, although let's be honest, nobody's rocking those microabrasions as a fashion statement. Scratched lenses can seriously mess with your vision. Suddenly you're squinting to read, struggling to focus on your screen, and don't even get me started on driving at night. Those halos around headlights? Yeah, scratches can make that already nerve-wracking experience a whole lot worse. And the worst part, sometimes it feels like those scratches appear out of nowhere. One minute your glasses are pristine, the next, it's like they've been through a sandstorm. But here's the thing, scratches are incredibly common. Think about it, your glasses go through a lot. They're tossed in bags, wiped with whatever's handy, and let's be real, sometimes they even take a tumble. Now, you might be thinking, time for a new pair, but hold up. Replacing your glasses can get expensive. And who wants to shell out big bucks when there might be a simpler solution? That's what we're here to explore. First up, we're going old school with a kitchen staple that's probably already in your pantry: baking soda. You know it as a baking essential, but this versatile powder is also a surprisingly effective scratch remover. Why? It's all about that gentle abrasiveness. Baking soda acts like a superfine sandpaper, buffing out those tiny imperfections without damaging the lens underneath. Plus, it's super affordable and readily available, so you can try this hack without breaking the bank. Here's the breakdown. Grab a small bowl, add a teaspoon or two of baking soda, and then slowly add drops of water until you create a thick paste, kind of like toothpaste consistency. Once you've got your paste ready, apply a small amount to the scratched areas of your lenses, using a microfiber cloth. Remember, we want to be gentle here. Rub the paste onto the scratches in a circular motion. After a minute or two of gentle buffing, rinse your glasses thoroughly with cool water and dry them with, you guessed it, a clean microfiber cloth. Next up, we're raiding your bathroom cabinet for another everyday hero toothpaste. Yep, you heard that right. Just like baking soda, toothpaste contains mild abrasives that can work wonders on those annoying scratches. But here's the key. Opt for a non-gel, non-whitening toothpaste. Squeeze a tiny amount of toothpaste, we're talking pea-sized, onto the scratched lens. Using a clean, soft cloth, microfiber is your best bet, gently rub the toothpaste onto the scratches in circular motions. After a minute or two, rinse your glasses thoroughly with cool water, making sure to remove all traces of toothpaste. Dry your glasses with a clean microfiber cloth and boom! You've just given your glasses a mini makeover with a product you probably use every day. So, we've covered some DIY solutions using common household items, but what about those tougher scratches? That's where commercial scratch removers come in. These products are specifically designed to tackle scratches on delicate surfaces, including eyeglasses. When you're browsing, look for products that are specifically designed for eyeglasses or lenses. These formulas are typically gentler and less likely to damage your glasses. One of the key benefits of commercial scratch removers is that they often contain filling agents. These agents work by filling in the scratches, creating a smoother surface that light can pass through more easily. Another advantage: commercial removers often come with applicator pads or cloths designed for precise application. When using a commercial scratch remover, always follow the instructions on the packaging carefully. Different products have different application and drying times, so it's important to read the directions to avoid damaging your glasses. No matter which method you choose, the key to success is all in the application. We're going for gentle, precise movements to avoid causing further damage to your lenses. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Cleanliness is key. Before you even think about applying any product, make sure your glasses are free of dust, dirt, and fingerprints. use a microfiber cloth and a lens cleaning solution to gently wipe down your lenses. Less is more. When it comes to scratch removers, whether DIY or commercial, a little goes a long way. Start with a tiny amount and add more if needed. Applying too much product can make it difficult to remove and might even leave behind residue. Circular motions for the win. Remember those gentle circular motions we talked about? They're crucial for buffing out scratches without scratching your lenses further. Avoid scrubbing back and forth as this can create more scratches. Rinse and repeat if necessary. After applying the product, rinse your glasses thoroughly with cool water to remove any residue. If you're still seeing scratches, you can repeat the process but don't go overboard. Sometimes deep scratches might need professional attention. Dry with care. Once you've rinsed your glasses, gently dry them with a clean microfiber cloth. Avoid using paper towels or rough fabrics as these can scratch your lenses. And there you have it. Your glasses should be noticeably clearer, and those pesky scratches should be significantly reduced. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground, from pantry staples to specialized products. But you're probably wondering, which method reigns supreme? The truth is, the most effective method depends on the severity of the scratches and the type of lenses you have. For those everyday micro scratches and smudges, the baking soda method is a fantastic place to start. It's gentle, affordable, and readily available. Toothpaste can also be surprisingly effective for minor scratches, especially if you choose a non-gel, non-whitening formula. If you're dealing with deeper scratches or you're looking for a more long-lasting solution, commercial scratch removers are the way to go. Remember, it's always a good idea to test any product or method on a small, inconspicuous area of your lenses first, before going all in. While these hacks can work wonders on scratched lenses, it's important to proceed with caution. We're dealing with delicate surfaces here, so a little care goes a long way. First and foremost, always be gentle. Whether you're using baking soda, toothpaste, or a commercial remover, avoid scrubbing or pressing too hard. Excessive force can damage your lenses further, making the scratches even more noticeable. Speaking of damage, it's crucial to choose the right products. Avoid using harsh chemicals, abrasive cleaners, or anything not specifically designed for eyeglasses. These substances can strip away coatings, etch the lenses, or even cause discoloration. Another crucial tip: protect your lenses from future scratches. Invest in a sturdy case, avoid tossing your glasses into bags without protection, and use a microfiber cloth for cleaning. A little prevention can go a long way in keeping your glasses looking their best. Let's recap those scratch-busting hacks, shall we? We started with the pantry staples: baking soda and toothpaste. These household heroes are surprisingly effective for buffing out minor scratches and smudges. Remember to create a paste with baking soda and water, or opt for a non-gel, non-whitening toothpaste. Apply a small amount to the scratches, buff gently in circular motions, and rinse thoroughly with cool water. Next up, we explored the world of commercial scratch removers. These specialized products are designed to tackle tougher scratches and often contain filling agents for a smoother lens surface. No matter which method you choose, remember the golden rules of scratch removal. Be gentle, use the right products, and protect your lenses from future damage. Now that you've banished those pesky scratches, let's talk about keeping your glasses in tip-top shape. A little maintenance goes a long way in preventing future damage and ensuring crystal clear vision. First and foremost, make friends with microfiber cloths. These soft, lint-free cloths are your best bet for cleaning your lenses without scratching them. Keep a few handy in your car, your bag, and on your nightstand, so you're always prepared. When it comes to cleaning solutions, opt for those specifically designed for eyeglasses. Avoid using harsh chemicals, window cleaners, or anything that could damage the lens coatings. Storage is key. Always store your glasses in a sturdy case when you're not using them. This protects them from scratches, dust, and those accidental sit-downs that can be a death sentence for your specs. And finally, make it a habit to give your glasses a quick clean every day. So there you have it, 10 easy hacks to fix those scratched eyeglasses and keep them looking their best. Now it's your turn to share your experiences. Have you tried any of these methods? Do you have any secret scratch-busting tips up your sleeve? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. And hey, if you're looking for more eye care tips, product reviews, or just want to geek out about all things vision, hit that subscribe button and join the Perfect Health community. We're all about helping you see the world in all its high-definition glory. Thanks for watching, And remember, clear vision, clear life. Alright guys, so we've just gone through 10 different ways to fix your scratched glasses. Hopefully at least one of these works for you. I'm always down to try some DIY stuff, especially when it comes to saving a few bucks. But let's be real, sometimes those deep scratches just need a professional touch. If you've got some serious damage going on, don't hesitate to take your glasses to a pro. They've got the tools and expertise to bring your lenses back to life. Peace.